Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my Shri Organic Curriculum. We already learned the friend sound, that is S and H. When they come together, they make sh in the beginning, ish at the end, th, th in the beginning, it at the end. Same way, C and H, they are also friends. When they come together in the beginning, they make ch. They make ch. CH, when they comes at the end, they make ich. Ich. So ch, ich. What is the difference between this SH and CH? Here we don't stress too much. Here we stress a little. Sh, ch, sh, ch. Ish, ich, ich, ich. Let's apply and read the word. Ch, ch, I, ip, chip. Ch, ip, chip. Ch, ch, ip, ip. Ch, ip. Chop. Fine. Ch, ch, I, in, chin. Ch, in, chin. Ch, 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 ik. We already learned these friends, right? ICK. They are friends. Whenever they come together, they make ik sound. Okay, they make ik sound. So you teach your child as ik. Don't split the letters and read. Okay, it's ik. That alone you say. Chaik, chick. Ch, im, ip, champ. Ch, im, ip, champ. If you wish, you can teach these three letters also. It's amp. If A comes, it's amp. I comes, it's imp. U comes, it's ump. It goes on like that. So we let them thorough with this ik, out, that alone. So don't want to make them get confused. So leave it. Ch, ib, chap. This is by. They are also friends. If it comes at the end in the word, it says b sound. Maximum you just refer many words which ends with by. We pronounce as b. When it comes separately, that's by alone comes, we say by. When it comes in the word at the end, it makes b sound. So chub, b, chubby. Let me pronounce the letters and you read the word. Ch, ip. Yes, chip. Good. Ch, ip. Chop. Ch, in, chin. Fantastic. Ch, ik. Chick. Ch, ik. Chick. Ch, im, ip. Champ. Ch, im, ip. Champ. Fine. Ch, ib. B. So chubby. Chubby. Ch, ib. Chubby. Chubby. Let's learn the ending sound. CH when it comes at the end, it makes its sound. What sound? Its sound. Let's apply and read. L, in, ich, lunch. L, in, ich, lunch. R, ich, rich. R, ich, rich. M, in, man, ich, munch, munch, munch. in man, ich, munch, munch. Ma, itch, march. We don't pronounce our this it t. We don't stress too much. We'll say march. We should not say march. Okay, we have to say only march. That slight R sound should be heard. Ma, itch, march, march. It, itch, match, match. We should not say match. We have to say only match, match. It, itch, match. In, itch, bench. In, itch, bench. Shall we read? Again, chip, chip. Ip, chop. In, chin. Ik, chick. Ip, champ. Ib, chap. Chubby. In, lun, ich, lunch. Lunch. Ich, rich. Ich, rich. In, man, ich, munch. Munch. Ich, march. March. It, itch, match. We don't pronounce stress too much on R and T. Okay, match. In, ben, itch, bench. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Please write the words, paste it on the wall, help your child to recollect again. Thanks for spending a valuable time with me. Thank you all.